Shout out to Irish Shield. We're back again with Billie Eilish. Last time we checked out that track, and the harmonies in those tracks were just, oh, that was amazing. So today we're gonna check out Birds of a Feather. This is on the same live performance that she did in the previous reaction. So let's check out Birds of a Feather. This is the first time I'm going to be hearing it because I haven't heard the main track. So it will be good to hear the live performance as well. Let's check this out.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away, then buried, till I'm in the casket you carry.
My breathy tone. Okay, I love this melody. Okay. And if I'm turning blue, nice. Don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. Hey, yo, what?
I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Till the day that I die. I want you to see.
Man, look, man. Oh, you seriously? I've never really taken Billie Eilish music seriously, as in like listen to her songs throughout. You know, like her albums. I haven't followed her career at all. But man, sheesh, bro, this is like the third song I've heard of her. You know. Oh, it's such a delight. It's such a delight. Where did she find these backing vocalists, man? Are all her songs like this? Because this is so neat, man. Their harmonies are premium harmonies, bro. I love it. Prime. It's just like, whoo.
Just how you look to me. 'Cause you
Love the band too.
wouldn't believe me if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw you, but you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit. No, say you don't see it. Your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit. Don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye. Should stick together. I said
Oh,
till the light in my eyes. Can't change the weather, not till the day that it's forever. It's even better. I know you
oh, that was so good.
you had that same look in your eyes. I love you, don't act so surprised.
Her falsettos are on point. Do it, do your thing. She looks like she has a really lovely personality too. Like, I love that kind of candidness about her. She's really good. No. Really. Like, no, it's not that. It's not. See, this is this is the reasons why I like checking out mainstream media artists on my own terms. This is why I like doing that, because I don't just I don't follow crowds. I don't just follow, oh, everyone's listening to this, so let's just no. I like to find my own reasons why I think this artist is good and worth listening to. And this is it, man. She really, and one thing that I really sometimes I really struggle with is understanding the lyrics that artists are singing. So sometimes I have to Google the lyrics to actually figure out what she's saying. And no, I didn't have that problem here at all. Although she was using a lot of breathy tones and a lot of her falsettos and a lot of ad-libs here. But I could understand almost everything that she was saying there very easily, you know? And I love that. And her backing vocalist. Oh my god. Who are these ladies, bro? Man. And the band. I really like that lead. Like complemented that bass, so good. And the drum, everything was just so good and calm at the same time, but still a little bit upbeat. So well done. Best of a feather. I love this song. I love this song, man. See, when I posted my reaction to the previous one, I had a lot of comments saying I should check out Billie Eilish. You know what? I just might do it. I just might do it, you know? I might do a whole Billie Eilish rabbit hole. You know, it's actually been a while since I did rabbit holes. Pause. You know? I think the last rabbit hole that I went into was... What was the last rabbit hole that I went into? I think the last rabbit hole that I really was into was Putri Ariani, which was like ages ago. But I don't think I've had an artist draw me into a rabbit hole since then. But I might just start another one. I might just get into another rabbit hole, man. Cause bro, this is some quality stuff. I'm not lying. This is some quality stuff, bro. The vocals kill me. The voice, and her voice too, just her voice is very good to listen to. I'll just stop talking before I have a crush on her and stuff, because, you know, that's how life works.
Okay. Okay. Well,
Oh, Rosie.
I feel pretty good. All great to me. Fucking guys. Yay!
That was a good track. That was a good track, man. She's cute too. That's the thing. Yeah. Goddess Love says she's cute. That's a statement I never thought I would ever make in my life. But yeah, there we go. Man, that was awesome.